Each time I present a new board, please pause the video and copy this into your notebook. This is the beginnings of your flashcards and baby flashcards to learn your prefixes, your suffixes, and your roots. I would keep these separated. I've color-coded these differently for the roots and stems I did in red and the others I did in blue and green. You could also use different color markers or colored pencils to do these if you wish, and keep them in 3 separate areas so you know that your prefixes are separate from your stems and so forth. After you get used to these, you'll recognize them as prefixes or roots without having to have the color coding, but that would certainly help in the meantime. So let's pause the video so you have a chance to copy these down. Let's take a closer look at these. Cred means to believe. Here we have credentials. Let's say someone has a sign out that they're a dentist. You'll walk in the office and you'll see the diplomas up there. That makes you believe that yes, indeed, this person is able to practice dentistry. So credentials is giving you a belief. Discredit, dis means not. So if you're not, you're taking away the credit. You're taking away the belief. Cur, to run or course. Curriculum. Well, curriculum is another word for course. And occur. Dem, with people. Remember we had democracy? That was the rule of the people. That's what democracy means. So dem. Here we have epidemic. Demographics. Okay, so we have dem here. See the dem in the middle of this word? And here we've got it at the beginning. Here's one, dict, to speak. Dictator, edict, dictionary. I guess that dictionary kind of speaks to us. That's certainly a lot of words. Here's an edict and a dictator. Error, to wander. If you're on the wrong path, if you've made an error, I guess you wandered from the truth or the correct answer. Here's erratic. Erratic behavior is like all over the place. If you see someone in a car and they're weaving back and forth, that's erratic driving. They're wandering around the road. Flux, flew, flux, fluct. Fluent, it means to flow. So fluent, your speech is fluent. It just pours out of you. Fluid, obviously, you pour the milk, you pour the lemonade. Fluctuate. Here's graph or scribe, to write. Here we have a biography, an autobiography. So we have the graphy part means to write. Auto means self. Bio means life. So we have something written about your life. Auto means self. Life is bio, so self-life and writing about yourself. That just, each part of this word uses your prefixes and then your root. Scribble, scribe. See how it comes from scribe? And postscript. To stick or cling, add here or hes. Add here. Cohesive. So we have this one, to adhere means to stick on something. So if you have a Band-Aid, it adheres to your arm. And cohesive, that would be a glue. To choose. Select. Natural selection. Ledge, in this case, means law. Legislative branch. This is the branch of government that makes the laws, i.e. Congress and which is the Senate and the House of Representatives. That's the executive or the legislative branch of government. Ledge meaning legal or law.